So the reason I started this company is because I saw a need for video production for corporations, primarily large corporations. And the more I looked at it, I saw them not being able to get projects done on time with their own internal staff in many cases. And it was just a no-brainer at that point. I said, you know, okay, we can do this. We can go out and we can get in there and do these jobs. Whereas if we were going to come in as a big ad agency, we're competing with other big ad agencies. And in reality, all we want to do is the video portion of it. So that's probably the main focus that I saw, you know, when we were putting this together.